at this cyclist up here. When a runner. Little do they know that I'm here. I don't know why I said that. The dog. I'm gonna slow down and move to the side so I don't scare the dog. I don't want the dog to be afraid. There's like a outpost somewhere here. I don't know what its purpose is. But it feels like, you know, when you're hunted by a deer or an elk or something, you climb up it and you're sick. Let's see if I can find it. It's supposed to be here somewhere. I can't find it. Yeah, here it is. Wait. Yeah, right there. You can climb up there. I wonder how long it's been there. Feels like it's been there for an eternity or something. It's a really cool finish on this black bits here. When the sun shines on it, it's like the sky full of stars. I like that. It's cool. But then when it's black, it's black. Wait, what? Yeah, no shit. When it's dark and no sun shines on it, it's black. And that's pretty cool, I think. I don't know what y'all think, man, but I think so. And I don't care if you don't like it. So it's my bike for at least a little bit longer. I'm planning on selling it soon, I think, which is sad. But then again, you can't be on the same bike your whole life, which I haven't been. But I want, you know, something bigger, better. It's a big ass hair, man. There's a lot of people out today. I wonder if it's a wedding or a funeral here. So that guy's dressed in a suit. And here we have the police. So I'm gonna go this way, because I don't want to drive behind the police. Not that I'm doing illegal stuff. I just don't want to be too close to them. I'm just kidding, man. Or am I? I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah. It's a party in the USA. Is there a party in the USA? I don't know, man. I haven't been to USA. Oh, here are some bikers. Hello. Why is that guy indicating left? He's gonna turn left here? Yeah, he is. Alright. Because it turned out, the turnout was to the right, so I thought he was like stupid and indicated the wrong way. But no, he was smart. He was a good guy. These lines here. This is the stupidest road in the world. I'm not gonna bother trying to explain it. I've already tried that, so I'm not gonna do that again. He's like, this is my normal riding position, where I position myself on the road. But if I drive it here on this road, it's like that. Yeah, it's like that, you know, basically. When I talk, I'm gonna be like this. I'm gonna be like talking very weird. But it's good practice, you know, to drive on this line so we can become better at riding in a straight line and stay on the same line all the time. It's like, you know, it's like in racing games, it's the racing line here. Then again, it's bumpy, so I'm gonna stop. Kind of exhausting doing that. I don't know why. For some reason, it made me tired. I wonder why. Now don't look there. Don't look there. Don't look at that. You see, it was green by then, so I was driving legally. I always drive legal. Look at all these sun cells. What's it called in English? Have you ever thought about all the untapped potential for sun energy? Like this roof could be way more filled with sun energy. Like at least there as well. And that roof, and that roof, and that roof, and that roof, and up there, so much untapped potential. And that roof, yeah, I get not everyone can afford it. But the government should just like, here you have sun cells on your roof. That's a poorly built roof for sun cells. Yeah, they can't put it there. But these roofs, man, are people... maybe people don't want to spend money on it. I get that. But it's an investment. Depending on, you know, the economy and how much sun there is. Eventually, they're gonna pay themselves off. And then you're basically getting free electricity for some days. Not every day. It's not every day it's gonna be as beautiful and as sunny as this day.